Do you want to know the number one reason as to why you're not reaching your full potential? It's fear. Do away with fear and you will lead a happy life with zero regrets. Fear steals moments. While time moves forward, fear keeps you looping in worry. You keep on second guessing yourself and you remain inactive and silent. Fear holds you in place, convincing you that safety is better than growth. My advice: stop postponing your decisions. Take action, remain active. Keep this in mind: a life lived cautiously is a life half lived. Fear wastes years. Years pass by and you remain inactive because you are a coward and your fear is holding you back. Do away with fear.